everyone. I just wanted to upload a quick update to let everyone know that I have opened a a learning center in Second Life. It is designed for creators and those who are curious about running a business and or creating for Second Life. So I will post in the description a link to the location of the school and a link to the website where you can find a list of all the topics I plan to have classes for and write tutorials for, and just more details about the Learning Center. So I hope you will come and visit and read the information, and also message me here or in World if you have any questions about any of it, and it will all be free. So I am excited to schedule my first class soon here in the next few weeks. I will post the schedule on the website, and I will post probably another little update video here. So happy creating!